Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. And today we are stuffing my cash envelopes. I am a cash stuffer. I love to stuff cash envelopes, and I use the cash envelope method to help me stay out of unnecessary debt and just, you know, save my life away, build my life away, all that good stuff. If you're not following me here, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week. Also, make sure that you are following me on Instagram as well. If you are not following me there, we are almost at 10,000 followers on Instagram. I want to pause really quick and let you guys know that we actually hit 10,000 followers. So excited, thank you. And here we are almost at 15,000 on YouTube. So I'm super excited for that success. Let's get started. Today we are going to be stuffing $791, but before we do, we are going to unstuff our envelopes from last week's paycheck. So let's see what we have. Do we have any grocery money? No. We have no food money? No. House, we have $21 in house. And then in toiletries, we have $10 in toiletries. Beauty, we don't have anything. And in miscellaneous, we don't have anything. And this money stays in here. So we have a total of 5, 10, 30. We have $31 that we have left over from the last paycheck. So we're just gonna sit this to the side, and this money I am going to put just in a miscellaneous envelope until I figure out what I want to do with it. I might put it towards a savings challenge for 2022. I will be letting you guys know what my savings challenges are soon. I'm still kind of figuring out all of them, and I will be communicating that with you guys real soon. All right, so now we are going to unstuff our cash. If I haven't mentioned, this envelope is from Shamika. She is here on YouTube. Her name was So Creations, but her name is all Shamika. I think it's all things Shamika. Girl, I'm sorry, girl, if you're watching. I'm trying to remember your channel name, but I'm definitely gonna put it up here. She's amazing. She's so adorable. Love her to pieces. And this wallet that I'm using is my Notique wallet. I'll put the information up here. I'll link it down in the description as well if you are looking for a smaller wallet to use. I absolutely love this one. I also just did a wallet review. I did a Notique versus a Moterm planner, so check that video out as well if you are in the market for a new wallet. So let's go ahead and put our money in our tray. Alright, so let's start stuffing. So first we're going to be stuffing my daily envelopes. These are envelopes that I keep with me on the go, and we're going to stuff these first. So for groceries, we're going to be getting $150. I'm going to put this in my grocery envelope. Next is this food envelope is actually for eating out, and I did not give myself anything for eating out. House is going to get $30. It is time for me to buy some like toilet paper and toiletries is going to be $30 as well. It's time for me to re-up on my toiletries as well, hunty. And these cash envelopes, these are A7 size or pocket size, and I actually made these myself. And the beauty envelope is going to get $20. And actually, this is gonna go in my sinking funds, so let me put that back. This beauty envelope, I only stuff it when I'm getting ready to go take care of my beauty, so I'm not gonna stuff that today. Giving is going to get $10, I believe. Let me look. Yeah, so giving is gonna get $10. So we already have 10 in there. Coins and receipts. So if you guys are not aware, I am now on Fetch. So this is a way that you can get gift cards by scanning your receipts. It's really that simple. Use my code, and by my code you get 2,000 points. I get 2,000 points as well. Trust me, you will love this Fetch Rewards app. Okay, so this is stuffed. So now we are going to stuff my sinking funds, and let's get started. So this wallet here, this is my miscellaneous wallet. You guys can't see it, but I'm about to show you. So this is my miscellaneous wallet, and this is where I am going to put this money here. Like I said, I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for, but I'm just putting basically all my leftover money in here for now. Okay, so here is my medical. Medical is going to get $5. And I'm not gonna update these trackers on here with you guys. Maybe a couple of them, but not all of them. So I don't go to the doctor often, but I'm probably gonna go this year for like some checkups and stuff. What's today? I don't even know what today is. Move D for deposit, so it should be $110. I think today's the 11th. So let's see how much we have here. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110. All right, so we are good here. Car registration. People are always surprised when I tell them how much my car registration is every year, but my car registration is due in September, and it's about $300. So I save a total of $15 per paycheck, and that would get me to $15. I mean, that'll get me to $300 by the time my car registration is due. And if I'm off, it'll be about $10 really, if I'm off at all. But yeah, here in California. All right guys, my memory card was full, so I had to empty it. So let's go ahead and count how much we have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So we are right. All right, next is hair. Hair is going to be getting $25. Going out of order here, $25. Clothes is going to be getting $25.
So, oops, yeah.
Count. Let's count the money. So we got 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. $80 in clothes. Next is auto care. Auto care is going to be getting $25.
Maybe 200.
I'm gonna have to pay for my car services again. I do pay for 5 car services, and it's about almost $300, I think. We got 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. So this makes it easier for me to make sure I'm not having to come out of the pocket. I have a Toyota, so if you have anything, a Toyota, or with your dealer, you might want to check and see if they have something like that available. HOA is going to get $140. HOA is it's $280. 124 is $280 per month. Let me know if you guys want a video on HOAs and are they good, are they not good, should you have one or not, etc. Next is trash. Trash is going to get $16. Now I'm going to update the rest on off camera. That way I don't have to do this with you guys here. Take up more of your precious time. Home maintenance is going to get $20. So it's going to be a total of 80, 20, 40, 60, 80. Like I said, I don't want to have to come back and do this, y'all. Right now my house is still under warranty. So if there are any problems, I can just call them. But after a year, it's no longer under warranty. So I was like, you know what? It's time for me to start saving for the handyman in case I need them. Wedding, I'm not gonna stuff that one. JW is gonna get $50. This envelope again. All right, YouTube is gonna get $20. $20. Go YouTube, go YouTube. I love YouTube, guys. Just to let you guys know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably don't know, or if you don't pay attention to my community board, I am going to be releasing a YouTube course which will talk about how to start your YouTube journey if you're looking to start your new channel in 2022, or if you have started your channel but you can't get it right and you don't know what to do to grow. This is going to be an amazing YouTube course for you, and I give a lot of gems in this course, so definitely stay tuned. Pre-sales are going to be starting on this Friday. So please make sure, if you're not following me on Instagram, that you're following me there. I'm also going to be letting you guys know here on YouTube as well, but you don't want to miss it. Wigs, it's not going to be getting anything. Job Petty Cash is not getting anything. Holidays is not getting anything. Birthdays is going to be getting... Let me see if birthdays. Yeah, birthdays is going to be getting $20.
That's going to be 45.
20, 45. I know it's upside down, but oh well. Car wash is going to be getting $10. I'll be getting my car washed one day. And then nails, which is beauty, will be getting 20. And I don't have a tracker in there. I need to get one, put it in there. Investing is going to get 20. One day I'm going to finally pull the trigger, y'all. I don't know what I'm holding off on. I'm just nervous. So it looks like we got $220 in here. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we are at $220, and I'm going to invest real soon. By the time I do something, I'm going to be at $1,000. I'm going to be investing right off, and I know I can start now, so I need to stop being a scaredy put. Okay, beauty counter, $40. 40, 60, 80, 100, and I need a tracker in there. I mean, beauty counter, sorry. Beauty counter was only, if I said, hold on guys. All right guys, so I just fixed that. It wasn't $40, it was actually $20. So we got 20, 40, 60, 80. That's why I need to really get a tracker in here. So this is $80 in beauty counter. And this is my skincare products that I use. That's what this wallet is for. So we have $140 left, and actually I do need an envelope for that. And that is my gas. Gas is a whole lot here in California. It's a whole lot everywhere, I think. But it's about $70. It's like $60 and some change to fill up my tank, like almost $70. So I do work from home, so I don't have to always get gas, but I do drive into the city sometime. I drive into the city at least minimum 2 times a week, and so it's about $70 a week to fill up my tank. And so if I have to fill up my tank, I want to be able to have the money just readily available. So this is $140, and I'm just going to put it in this envelope for now, but I do have a gas envelope that I am going to start using. So that pretty much takes care of our sinking funds. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much. Once again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you have made it to the end. Let me know what you liked about the video. If you have any questions about any of the envelopes, all that good stuff. I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.